Next are these mini portable soap sheets for when you need to wash your hands. All you need is water and it creates a soapy lather. This would be great to throw in your backpack and take on the trails. This portable generator can take care of all your charging needs while you're camping. Not only does it have USB-C and USB-A ports to charge all your electronics, but it also has an AC adapter if you need to blow up an air mattress and even a car outlet. Or if you don't have access to any electricity, you can always bring along this portable solar charger. This allows you to charge anything via USB using just the power of the sun.
Beach Bag has a built-in wine cooler so you can get a drink without anyone noticing. This is a portable fan that you can wear as a necklace or clip it on your shorts so you can stay cool all day. These sunglasses let you adjust the tint using the app, and they also have speakers so you can listen to music. These are beer can covers so you can hide your alcoholic drinks from your friend. This sunbathing chair has holes where you can put your arms through, and you can adjust the seat how you like. This is an electric bug zapper that kills any type of insect, and it has a stand so it can attract bugs all by itself. This is a portable air pump that can inflate or deflate your floaties, and it comes with all of these attachments. This is a beverage chiller that can make any type of drink cold in less than a minute. These are AC vent covers which are magnetic and help you save money on electricity. This is a laptop sunshade that's made out of a reflective material so you can work by the pool. These are reusable water balloons that easily snap together once you fill them up. This is an umbrella that attaches to the back of your phone so it's easy to see your screen when you're in the sun. This is a fruit fly trap that plugs into any outlet, and it's non-toxic so it's safe around pets. This gadget turns any drink into a slushie just by putting it in the freezer and squeezing the cup. This fan plugs into your charging port, which might be the dumbest thing I've ever bought. These are skinny ice cubes which are designed to fit into any type of water bottle.